finally here. I've been waiting for the new Apple Watch to be released for a very long time since I decided to buy it basically, and finally they announced it last Tuesday. I ordered it within a couple of hours and it arrived yesterday at 6 p.m. Yesterday was Friday, and we're gonna be talking about it today, why I bought it, and we're gonna unbox this baby today as well. But before we start unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6 together, let me tell you why I bought the watch and maybe why you should consider buying it too. But let's get it out of the packaging, shall we? First and foremost, this channel is not a tech or unboxing kind of channel. Here we talk about productivity, success, motivation, planning, time management, and all those good stuff. And technology is a big part of it, yes. So my point of view today, unboxing and talking about the Apple Watch Series 6 with you, is all going to be about those points. If you're here to learn about the technical aspects or specifications of the watch, I won't be giving it to you. You can either find it on their website or you can watch a video from a tech channel. So let's start with the practical reasons why I decided to buy the Apple Watch. Some of these reasons are Apple Watch 6 specific, some of them are Apple Watch specific, and some of them are just smartwatch specific because I have never owned a smartwatch or any sort of health tracker or anything like that. I was always bare-wristed, so it's gonna be my first ever smart thingy. The first reason I bought the watch is to eliminate my phone addiction completely. I've been working on this for a very long time and I think I'm in a good place, but still I have my phone to use certain things constantly, like to check the time, to check my schedule, you know, like these things where you find yourself taking your phone when you're going to another room in the house, and I don't want that. I don't want to be carrying my phone around all the time. The problem with that is, yes, it gives me the things that I need, the time, whatever, but it also gives me access to all those nice apps that I can just go in without thinking and procrastinate. Most importantly, I don't want to take my phone in my hands first thing in the morning. What I like to do is to read and have a morning routine and this and that, but of course, like I said, to use my alarms, to check the time, to do this, to do that, I have my phone. With this device, what I'm hoping is I will start my day and I will take my phone in my hands when I need it, when I start working, when I want to do something in it. The second reason I bought it is to be on top of my schedule. I'm always on top of my schedule. Google Calendar is my boss. I do time blocking, so I live pretty much like always planned, but it's really hard to open your phone all the time, again, carry it all the time or check your computer. This guy will tell me what's next on my Google Calendar or any calendar really. I saw in the event that it can read it out loud. So something on my wrist saying that I have a meeting with this person in half an hour is going to be incredibly useful, incredibly productive for me. It's going to be like I have a personal assistant on my wrist. Number 3 is that I'll be able to listen to music from my wrist at all times. I like listening to focus type music when I'm working, and I like listening to upbeat music when I'm cleaning or doing other errands so that I'm a little bit more energetic and faster, meaning I use my time better. We don't have a Sonos or a home sound system at all, so I think this will replace that and I will have music on my wrist at all times. The other reason is an Apple Watch 6 specific reason, which is the sleep app. I've been tracking my sleep with other apps on my phone, but I think something on the wrist is way more accurate. I've been struggling with waking up in the night or having, not so relaxing or restful nights since the beginning of lockdown. So I think that's gonna help me so much understanding what's going on really. I'm an entrepreneur and a YouTube creator, so I need to be on top of news and trends at all times, and I think the Apple Watch will give me all those pop notifications when something is trending or something is happening, which is going to prevent me from going in news websites and reading blogs and this and that. So it will cut all of that research time, letting me know the things that I need to know or I want to know. So this will be very handy for my work, but also, like I said, that will significantly cut the time that I spend on researching. The new watch faces is another reason I bought it. I don't know if it's a Watch OS thing or an Apple Watch 6 thing, but they're so cute. There are some really nice ones. But again, my point is not about cuteness. My point is about productivity. And I specifically love the one that is for planners, or I think it's called a countdown phase. I'll make sure I check it before I set it up. But this is basically gonna help me be more aware of time passing, but also use Pomodoro and similar gamifications from my wrist so that I can be more productive. Another reason is that I can control my phone camera from my watch so that I can take photos that are not selfies, because honestly, that's the reason I don't produce content as much as I want to. I don't like posting multiple selfies back to back on Instagram. I don't see much value of it, so I don't do it. But with this, hopefully I can create more valuable content and interesting content, so it will help me at my work as well. But I think it's generally a great idea to capture life from a distance and having your surroundings in the picture if you don't have someone taking your photo constantly. You're gonna be surprised that I left this until this point, but of course the health benefits are incredible with this device. There are some very exciting new things in the Apple Watch Series 6. They weren't my main reason to buy it, but I think they're incredibly useful. And of course, I'm talking about the blood oxygen levels. Being on top of your health is obviously very important to stay productive and motivated and creative and just have a good life in general. So I really enjoy several new things about this device, including that, but also the Fitness Plus. What I really liked is that since I bought a new watch, Apple will give me free access to Fitness Plus. That will be launched, I think, in the late 2020. And I can't wait to try it because it sounds like something I can do fitness-wise. So I'm really excited about that as well. I love the heart rate function. I love the ECG function. I love so many things about the health benefits of wearing a smart device, but particularly the new things that are so exciting. As a scientist, I am very, very happy to see these incredible developments. But like I said, these are not my main reasons. What could be a good reason for me is that I can share my activity with my husband. That could keep me more accountable, meaning that I work out more and maybe we'll lose some of this lockdown extra thing that we put on. There are some other things that I won't be using, but I thought could be great reasons to buy this device. And the first one is the smart home system, that you can control everything if you have a smart home from your watch. I think that will save so much time and so much energy. But what really stood out for me is that blood sugar gadget. I think it's not a new thing, but I think it's still incredibly nice for people who live with diabetes. So I see so much value in this device, not just for me, but like I said, I'm trying to explain why you should maybe get the device. So hopefully it's helpful. So these are the reasons why I bought the Apple Watch Series 6, and I will make it easy for you. If you think that 3 or more of what I talked about makes sense for you, that you think they will make your life easier, simpler, make you more productive, make you save energy, I think you should get it too. In the next couple of days, I will spend some time researching and downloading some apps, setting this up, and I will make a video about what's on my Apple Watch to make life easier and to be more productive. So if you want to watch that video and not miss it, please make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. All right, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? you saw, I unpacked and put my Apple Watch Series 6 on, and I am delighted. I'm so excited for this. Before we end this video, let me explain two things. One is it comes with the charger. It just doesn't have the wall plug. So if there was any confusion from your side, there is an Apple Watch charger in the box. The second thing I want to clarify is which model I got. The case is aluminum and it is gold, but I think it's more of a rose gold shade rather than real gold. But I didn't feel like the price difference between the stainless steel is quite worth it, so I'm okay with it. I'll be getting a case for this anyways because I'm a clumsy person, so it doesn't really matter. For the band, I did not like the solo bands at all. I don't think they're practical at all. So I bought the original silicone band in pink sand. For a couple of weeks, I'll be walking like this, but after that, I will be personalizing my watch to my style, so we're gonna be talking about it very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to go and set this guy up because I'm so excited. I hope it was useful, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you here again with my other productivity, success, planning, and time management videos, but until then, stay positive, stay productive, and stay healthy. Take care. Bye.